Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this fried egg granny square. This is from the 3D Granny Squares book, and I got this book from my local library. You're going to need a yellow worsted weight, a brown worsted weight, and a white worsted weight, and a tan worsted weight yarn for this pattern, and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook.
Hi and welcome back to Simply Made by Hand. If you are new to this channel, please consider liking this video, commenting, and subscribing. If you want to see specific content or tutorials, please let me know down in the comments below. Let's get into the video.
We're going to start with our yellow yarn and make a magic circle. Chain 1 and make 6 single crochet into your magic circle. Pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first stitch. Chain 1 and put 2 single crochet in every stitch. Slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1 and put 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Put 1 single crochet in the next and then 2 single crochets in the stitch after that. Repeat this same pattern all the way around. Slip stitch to your first stitch, and now we are going to change our color to our tan. This round is going to be completely worked in the back loop, so over the first stitch make 2 single crochets in the back loop, 1 single crochet in the next 2 in the back loop only, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2. Repeat this all the way around, remembering to work into the back loops only. Slip stitch to your first single crochet, chain 1 and put 2 single crochets in your first stitch, and then put 1 single crochet in the next 3. Put 2 single crochets in the next stitch and then 1 in the next 3. Repeat this all the way around. Slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1. Make 2 single crochets in the very first stitch and then 1 single crochet in the next 4. Repeat that again, 2 single crochets in the next stitch and 1 in the next 4, and repeat that all the way around. I slip stitched to my first stitch and chained 1. You're going to make 2 double crochets in the very first stitch. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Then make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in the next 3, one half double crochet in the next two, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Make 1 half double crochet in the next 2, 1 single crochet in the next 3, 1 half double crochet in the next 2, and then make 2 double crochets in your next stitch. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in the next 3, 1 half double crochet in the next 2, 2 double crochets in the next, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the next, 1 half double crochet in the next 2, 1 single crochet in the next 3, and then over your last 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet in each of those and slip stitch to your first stitch. Chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in the first stitch and the second. And in your corners, all your corners are going to be the same. You're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. So here's this round's repeat. This is actually going to be a repeat for the next 3 rounds. You're going to put 1 double crochet in every stitch. When you get to your corners, you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and then do the same around, 1 double crochet in each stitch, do the corner, 1 double crochet in each stitch, do the corner, 1 double crochet in each stitch, slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1, and do your next 2 rounds. This same pattern is going to be repeated over the next 3 rounds. So I finished the tan part, and now I'm going to take this brown and I'm going to make a slip knot. And you can start in any space. I'm just going to start right here, and you're just going to begin by making a standing single crochet. And you are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch, and in the corners you're going to make 3 single crochet. So you're just going to repeat the same pattern all the way around. So now I have cut my brown yarn off and fastened off. Later on I will take a sewing needle and weave that end in and do the invisible join so that it looks like there's a stitch there instead of a knot. Now we're going to begin with our white, and we are going to make a slip knot. And this part here in the center where we did our working in the back loop, you can see these little bars, and you're going to work underneath them and make a standing single crochet. Just like that. Then you are going to make 1 more single crochet into that very same bar. Then you are going to go into the next bar and make 1 single crochet, and go into the bar after that and make 1 single crochet. You're going to repeat the same pattern all the way around. So in the next one, 2 single crochets, and then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Make sure you're just picking up that 1 bar. And repeat that all the way around. Now we are going to slip stitch to our first stitch, chain 1, put 2 single crochets in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next 3. You're going to repeat that all the way around, so 2 in the next stitch and then 1 in the next 3. Repeat that all the way around. When you get back to the beginning, slip stitch to your first stitch. Now you're going to chain 1 and make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next 4. And you're going to repeat that. Single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 in the next 4. Now you're going to chain 1 and make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next 5, and you're going to repeat that all the way around. So 2 in the next stitch and then 1 in the next 5. Now you are going to chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the next 4, make 1 double crochet, and then make 3 double crochets in the next stitch. Now make 1 double crochet, then make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Put 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, one half double crochet in the next 2, one double crochet, then 3 double crochet in the next stitch. Then make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, one single crochet in the next 4, one half double crochet, and then 3 half double crochets in the next stitch. Then make 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then make 1/2 double crochet. Then 3/2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then make 1/2 double crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in the next 8. Then make 1/2 double crochet, and then 3/2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet in the next, and then single crochet in your last 6 remaining stitches. Slip stitch to your first stitch, cut your yarn, and fasten off. Now you can go ahead and weave in all your ends. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about this pattern, leave them down in the comments below. And if you are hungry for more and want to do more of these patterns, leave a egg emoji down in the comments below. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.